feel good.
Okay. You feeling okay, pretty good now?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I get that congestion, you know, that COPD.
Mm-hmm.
I get that. And then, you know, I have 9 great-grandkids.
Really?
Yeah, and, you know, they want to see Grandma, you know.
Are they all here in town?
Most of them.
Okay.
So, they want to see Grandma.
Uh-huh.
But doctor, you know how that goes. Kids, you know, they're in school. What do they get? Colds and all that stuff. And I was told, no one's supposed to come around even with a cold. Because I just can't get, I can get pneumonia. You know
Right.
what I'm saying?
With your COPD?
Yeah, I can get pneumonia easy.
Mm-hmm.
So sometimes they come around. I don't like it. My daughter said, Ma, they just want to say hi. I said, I don't care. They want to say hi or what.
That's why there's
You
Skype.
I guess stay away from me.
You know, that's why we have Skype. They can talk to you every day.
Mm. And then, you know, I made an appointment. I can just come in the morning, you know, because my daughter babysits in the afternoon.
Okay.
Well, then they said I called a week ago, said I couldn't come in until November 1st. But then I said, if there's a cancellation, call me. So Thursday she called me.
Oh,
She said,
good.
there's a cancellation on Monday at 10:30.
Wonderful.
Do you want it? I said, yes. Because the weather's nice for 3 days. That's why I picked nice day, right? Too hard to get out in the winter.
Well, there's no snow or anything on the ground yet.
Oh, I know, it's nice.
Yeah.
That's why I picked a good day. How have you been?
Great.
How's your daughter?
She's doing wonderful. She's
Yeah.
in her 3rd year of university.
Isn't that something already?
Yeah,
I remember when you adopted her.
I do too, 20 years
You
ago.
been back there?
We went back to China when she was 5 and went to the orphanage where she came from.
Oh, yeah,
And, but not since then.
yeah.
But I still have some people that I communicate with back there.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it really is, so that if she were ever to want to go back or go study there, she would have people there to connect with.
That's good.
Yeah.
It's harder now to adopt from there, right?
Yeah, they changed the rules, so if
Yeah.
you look around, there really aren't any young children coming from there right now.
Yeah, I
at
know
all.
that, yeah.
And, yeah, which is kind of sad, but if they're increasing in-country adoptions, I think that's great, but I don't hold out a lot of hope for that.
Yeah.
I think that's more propaganda than anything.
Yeah.
But anyway, so she's doing great. She,
Good.
yeah.
Does she live at home?
No, she has an apartment near the university.
Good, that's good.
Yeah, I think that's kind of important
Yeah,
for
yeah.
kids to learn how to do that.
Exactly, get on your own.
Yep. And how to fix things like the phone call I got this weekend that she lost her wallet
Oh, really?
with credit cards and driver's license,
Oh,
so she'll have to adult up and get it all handled. That's a horrible feeling though.
oh, I know. Where did it happen? Do you know?
Somewhere on campus.
Oh, okay.
Nobody's used the credit card, but
Well, that's good.
yeah, so maybe, who knows? Who knows where it is, but that's a very sinking feeling.
Yeah, it is.
She'll have to cancel everything, her debit cards.
Yeah.
All right, so what we'll do is pop the camera over. Traveled from out of state to come spend the day with me.
Oh, where's she from?
I'm from Topeka, but I just moved
Oh,
to
really?
Kansas City, Missouri, yes.
Huh.
And she's thinking of changing careers and wanted to shadow me for a day, and she saw the Dr. Nail Nipper videos and emailed
Really?
me. Yeah. So it's been a pleasure, and
Wonderful.
yeah. It's a lot of fun. I love teaching. I have residents and students come through all the time.
I've been going to Dr. Spurley several years. And my husband was the first one that went to Dr. Sproul.
Yeah, and you used to see me at the old office,
Yeah,
which I haven't been in since 1995.
so I've
more
been,
than-
I've been going over 20 years.
Yep.
Over 20 years here, see?
She's an awesome lady.
Aw, thanks, you
She's
guys.
wonderful.
All right, enough. Checks in the mail.
Yeah, she's good.
But, yeah, so it's actually quite, I love having students in, and,
Well, that's wonderful.
yeah. And so what did you do over the summer?
Not much.
No?
They do.
Okay. Binge any good TV shows or read any good books?
Oh, yeah, I read a lot of religious stuff.
Okay. So we're gonna get you back on the schedule at about 2.5 months for the next one.
Yeah, if the weather's over.
Right, if you have to cancel and change, then you
Yeah.
cancel and reschedule.
Okay.
See that, like that whole piece is just coming, whole piece of nail's just peeling right off.
I know that, yeah.
So I don't want them to get quite so thick and so long.
I know.
Squeaky clipper, just noticed. Just take the x-ray, and if it's broken, we'll,
You don't do nothing anyway, do you?
well, it depends. Yeah, I mean, immobilizing your foot in a more rigid shoe, or
Oh,
we can
really?
give you a post-op surgical shoe. And that usually helps with the pain, and it helps it heal faster.
Does it?
Yep, it can. If it's broken and the pieces are not where they need to be to heal, sometimes that can mean surgery. How long ago did you do it, you said?
About a month ago.
A month ago, and it's still that sore.
Well, off and on.
Okay.
Comes and goes.
All right, well, we'll just get an x-ray just to make us all happy, and probably it'll be fine, is my guess. I'm gonna go back down here a little bit, try and get out some of this dead skin. Now, do you have anybody who helps you with bathing or dressing and all
Oh,
that?
yeah.
Okay.
It'd be
When
my
they-
daughter.
Okay, so have her just take the towel after your bath and just kind of roughly wipe where the nails are,
Okay,
because there's a lot of dead skin.
okay. Yeah, because she lotions it all the time, you know.
Yeah, and she keeps, hopefully keeps the lotion out from between the toes.
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't know if she keeps it up soon, so I never really go. I should watch.
Yeah, we want it on the top and the bottom, but not really in between the toes.
Okay, I'll have to tell her that, yeah.
Okay.
I will do that.
Alright.
Oh, yeah, she helps in the shower.
Right.
I showered this morning. Had to have a shower before I see my doctor.
So he wants to do stage.
Yeah.
Yeah,
His friends that are out here though that I'm staying with, they act and sing as well. So
There's a
there's
lot
there's
of-
other places that do it.
yeah,
There's a pretty decent theater scene in this town,
yeah.
which is pretty great.
So you're just for the day?
Yeah, I drove.
Well, gee, I was
Drove
lucky.
in
I'm lucky,
yesterday.
aren't I? Why?
I'm lucky, she's been a lot of fun.
Yeah. And then my feet get wrapped, you know. And
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, the swelling, as swollen as they are, they look better than the last time I saw you.
Yeah. Well, she does a good job, I tell you that.
Your daughter's doing it?
Oh, of course.
Okay.
I haven't done it for quite a while, yeah. And the only time I have home care is when I leave the hospital or nursing home. And I don't want that. Yeah, she does a good job.
She takes good care of you.
Yeah.
Right. I'm just gonna put a little Band-Aid on there before we're done and just leave that on till tomorrow and that'll be fine.
Okay.
It's not really bleeding, it's just,
Yeah.
okay. So let me just get the Band-Aid on and then, my sister will come in and she'll help you on with the, with your socks and shoes and then we'll get the x-ray.
Okay.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Finergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Finergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Finergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.